Hi students, in my second class for permutation and combination, we shall do today permutation for second class. Now sum number 7, find 4-digit number. Find 4-digit number that can be found using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if no repetition RNA, means repetition not allowed. And number 2, how many will be even number. So sum number 1 is given. Here is 5-digit number and we have to do 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-digit number using 5 digit. So first place could be filled 5 ways. Second place could be filled 4 ways. Third place could be filled 3 ways, and first place 2 ways. If RNA, first place 5 ways. There is 5 options. Any one we can fill here. Second place 4 ways because 1 place have taken. Third place 2 place taken, that is remaining 3. That is therefore number of digit way 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, that is 5 into 4, that is 120 way. Another, we have 5 number, you have to take in 4. 5p4 we can do. 5p4, that is factorial 5 by factorial 1, that is factorial 5, that is 120 ways. If RNA, if repetition is allowed, we can do another way. If allowed, it is not given also, then we can do 5, 5 and 5, 5. That is 625 ways. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. That is 625 way. For repetition allowed, it is for RNA. Not allowed. Why 5? Because you have taken any 5 option you have. That's why 5. In second place, again 5 because repetition is allowed. We can take another 5. Third place, another again 5 because repetition is allowed. Here, first place also 5 ways. That is 5 into 5 into 5. That is 625 ways. Now next question is given. How many will be even number? There are, how many will be even number? 4-digit number, even number you have to take. There are 2 even number, 2 and 4. Taking 2 at unit place, remaining 3 place could 2 have taken 2, therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit, 4 digit, 4p3 way. Taking 2 at unit place, you have 3 place and digit is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 have taken. That is 4p2 ways, that is factorial 4, factorial 3, 4 minus that is 1, that is 4 into 3 into 2, 24 ways. And taking 4 on unit place, 4 is also even number, another this and 4p3 ways, that is 24 ways. This or taking 2, taking 4, that is we can take 4, we can take 2, or that's why total number of way equals to 24 plus 24 equals to 48 ways. That is the first sum. Next sum number 2. How many words with or without meaning can be formed with the word wonderful? For RNA, repetition not allowed. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 number of letters. There are 9 number of letters. Therefore, wonderful, there are how many words with or without meaning can be wonderful? 9 number of letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 number of letters, we can do 9p 9 ways. That is factorial 9. That is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 multiply, that is your answer. And for RNA, how many words with or without meaning can be formed with the word of the letter? This is equation. For RNA, equation. There are 8 number of letters. Number of words is 8. 8p 8 ways. That is factorial 8. That is 40320 ways. And number 4, how many words can be found? How many words can be found with the ordinate? When vowel occupy odd places. Ordinate, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So vowel occupy odd places. Vowel is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vowels are there. And odd place is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 vowels. There are 4 vowels and 4 odd places. Therefore, 4 vowels can be placed in 4 odd places. 4p 4 ways. That is 4p 4 ways. That is factorial 4. That is 24 ways. And because 4 vowels and 4 consonant. Consonant is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 consonants and 4 even place. Even places that look 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 consonant and look here. Here is and. And means multiplication. 4 vowel consonant and 4 even places could be done in 4p 4 ways. That is 24 ways. Therefore, total number (24) into and means into 24. That is 576 ways. Next, sum number 10. Sum number 10. How many 4 letters can be formed with wonderful, WONDERFUL, RFUL. Wonderful. For RNA and repetition not allowed, repetition allowed. Number 1, 4 letters, and there are wonderful, there are 9 words, 9 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 letters, 4 words for RNA. Therefore 9 letters, 9 ways. First letter, first place could be made 9 ways. Second place 8, third place 7, fourth place 6 ways. This and because first place could be made, there option is 9. 9 letters is there. After taking RNA, repeat order, suppose W is taken, the next 8 ways. Next remaining 2, that is 7 ways. That is total number of way equals to 9 into 8 into 7 into 6, that is 6561. 81, that is 3024 ways. And repetition is allowed when 9, 9, 9, 9. Because you have first letter could be made, you have 9 options. Second letter also 9 options, because repetition is allowed. That is total number of way 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 equals to 6561 ways. Like 81 into 81, 6561 ways. Next, sum number 11. How many ways, question number 11, how many ways can letters of the word magic take all the letters at a time? That is RNA, and repetition allowed also. There are how many ways letters of the word magic? In magic there are 5 letters. So 5 letters, we can all taking all the letters at a time. That is 5p 5 ways. That is factorial 5. That is 120 ways. And next one is repetition is allowed. We have to take 5 letters of the word, 5 letters, 5 at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The repetition is allowed. We can take 5 ways, again 5, again 5, again 5, again 5. Because first place could be done in 5 ways. There are 5 letters. Second place also 5 ways. Third place, that's why number of way letters of the word could be formed equals to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. That is 3125 ways. 625 into 625 into 5. 3125 ways. Next, sum number 12. Find number of signal which can be given with 5 flags. With 5 flags of different color hosted one above the other using any one of the flag here number of signal which can be given with 5 flags of different color posted one above the other by using any one number of flag. Any one, we can take 1 flag, 2 flag, 3 flag, 4 flag, 5 flag, such and such. When one flag used number of signal signal equals to how much? There are 5 number of flag, taking one flag, that is 5 P1 ways. That is 5 ways. Or you can take any one, that we can take 1, we can take 2, we can take 3, we can take 4, or that's why or. When 2 flag used, number of signal will be 5 P 2 ways, that is 20. 5p2 means factorial 5 factorial 3, 5 into 4 into factorial 5, that is 20 ways. Or when 3 flag used, to 5p3 ways. 5p3 means 5p3 factorial 5 factorial 2, that is 5 into 4 into 3, 60 ways. Or when 4 flag used, that is 5p4 ways. 5p4 means factorial 5 by factorial 1, 5 minus 4 factorial 5, 5p4 factorial 5, that is 120 ways. Or when 5 flag is used, that is 5p5. 5p5 means 5p5, that is 120 also. Therefore, total number of way it should be or, that's why you should add all these. 240, 300, 325, that is 325 ways. Next, sum number 12. How many words? Question number 12. How many words with or without meaning? With or without meaning? With or without meaning can be formed of the word from the letter Monday, 4 letters at a time. Number 1, 4 letters at a time. Number 2, all the letters at a time. Number 3, all letters but first letter, all letters but first letter will be vowel. First letter will be vowel. The number one question, sum number one, with meaning can be with 4 letters at a time. There are there is Monday, 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 1, 2, 3, 6 letters. There are 6 letters. 4 letters at a time, 6 letters. So we have to take 4 letters from 6 letters. That is 6p 4 ways. That is factorial 6. 6 minus factorial 2. That is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into factorial 2 by factorial 2. That is 360 ways. That is 360 ways. And 6 letter, 6p4, that is 6p4, 6. All the letters, number 2, all the letters at a time, taking all the 6 letters, 6p 6 ways. That is from 6 letter, taking 6 letters. 6 letters, 6p 6 ways. That is factorial 6. That is 720 way. Number 3, all letters, but first letter will be vowel. There are 2 vowel, O and A. So O, taking O at first, there you have to take 6 letters, taking O at first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters. Taking O at first, remaining 5 letters could be done 5p 5 ways. That is 120 way. All letters but first letter will be vowel. Taking O vowel at first, but taking another vowel is A. Taking A at first, remaining 5 letters could be done 5p. That is all. 5p 5 ways. That is 120 ways. Therefore, total number there, as is all, total number should be 240 ways. Therefore, total number of ways is 240 way. Next, do some numerical sum number 13. Sum number 13. 9p5 plus 5 into 9p4 equals to 10pr. Find r. 9p5 plus 5 into 9p4 equals to 10pr. You have to find. 9p5 means factorial 9. Factorial 9 minus 5 is factorial 4. Plus 5. Factorial 9. 9 minus 4 is factorial 5. That is factorial 10. Factorial 10 minus r. Factorial 9 is common. We can take 1 by factorial 4 plus 5 by factorial 5. We can write 5 into factorial 4 equals to factorial 10. We can write 10 into factorial 9 by factorial 10 minus r. Factorial 9, factorial cancel. Then 5 into 5 and factorial 4 LCM, this there is 5 plus 5. That is 5 plus 5 equals to 10 by factorial 10 minus r. 5 by factorial 9 factorial 4. 1 by factorial 4, 5 cancelled. So factorial 4, 1 plus 1, that is 2 by factorial 4. Then 2 by factorial 4. तो 10 into 10 minus r into 2 equals to 10 into factorial 4. Factorial 4 means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Then 2 come down, 2 to cancel. That we can write 5 into 2, 4 into 3 into 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That we can write 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is factorial 5. So factorial 10 minus r equals to factorial 5. So 10 minus r equals to 5. R equals to 5. That is the answer. Next, some number 14. Question number 14. NP4 by n minus 1 P3 equals to 9 by 1. We have to find n. To break it, let factorial n minus 4, factorial n minus 1, factorial this minus that is n minus 4 equals to 9 by 1. Now this and this cancel, that is n into factorial n minus 1 by factorial n minus 1 equals to 9 by 1, that is n equals to 9. So more easily you can do. Now please make a note of these sums, and if you like my videos, please subscribe. Okay, thank you.